Hey crafty friends, welcome to RaniCrafts DIY. I'm so happy you're here today, ready to create something unique and full of charm. In this video, we're making a beautiful bird-shaped box. It's a creative and decorative piece that's perfect for storing small items like jewelry, notes, or little keepsakes. What makes this project so special is how it combines functionality with a delicate, eye-catching design. Fun fact, birds are often seen as symbols of freedom, hope, and new beginnings, which makes this kind of handmade box a meaningful gift for someone special. So grab your supplies, get comfy, and let's craft together step by step. And before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love DIY projects just as much as you do. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, you can send a super thanks. It really helps me keep creating for you. Now, tell me in the comments, what would you keep inside your bird-shaped box? I'd love to read your ideas. And remember, there are plenty more creative projects waiting for you here on the channel, so feel free to explore and get inspired. Let's get started.